Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a more advanced feature of Google Forms, and that is importing questions into a form from a Google Doc. So again, we're going to start with a blank form. And we'll give it a title. Okay, so in the earlier video, I talked about add-ons, and this is where we're going to use one of the add-ons. So I have an add-on called Form Builder, and the way you get that is just by searching for Form Builder. And you can go into the G Suite Marketplace. And if you haven't already added it, there will be an option here to install. And so you'll install it, and then it will show up in your Google Form add-ons just like mine does. So I'm going to click on Form Builder, Start, and that will start loading. Okay, so I want to import from a Google Doc. So you can see Form Builder actually allows you to also import questions from Google Sheets or Google Slides, but we're just going to focus on Google Docs today. Okay, so I want to import from a doc called Practice Quiz. And select that. And then my questions start loading. Okay, if I want to make sure that I have chosen the correct document, I can click here to open the document, make any changes. If I see something that needs to be changed, I can change those and then start the import over. And then I can also check or uncheck any questions that I don't want to include. But also any of these changes can be made once you import the questions. So I'm going to go ahead and import those. Okay, so I'm going to close that box. My questions have imported. So this is where I can start making any changes that I need to finish the form. So I want it to be a quiz. So I'm going to go up here and make it a quiz. Change any of my settings that I need to change. I want to make all of my questions required. And I'll click on each one to do that. And then also I'm going to create an answer key. So I'll go through and make sure that I create an answer key for the questions that I will need to add point values to. And that is it for Form Builder. I know that there might be some issues depending on your original doc. So if you get in there and you're starting to upload questions and things aren't exactly right, you might have to make some changes there. But for the most part, it should import your questions just like it did mine. And also, if you're working from a Microsoft Word document, you will have to transfer it to a Google Doc. Let me go ahead and show you how you would do that here. So when you're in your Google Drive, you can upload any Word doc, or if you have another folder, you can upload that just by going to File Upload or Folder Upload. And then it will give you the option when you try to open that file to open it as a Google Doc. And that will transfer it to Google Docs, so then you could import it into your form.